So welcome back guys, and today we are going into the mechanics of landing gear. As we know, the landing gear play a crucial role in the safety of the aircraft, especially during takeoff and during landing, because that's when the landing gears are usually deployed, so that the plane could land safely or even take off safely. So we're going to start off with the components of the landing gear, and there are just three major components, which are the main gear, the nose gear, and the tail gear. So starting up with the main landing gear, the main landing gear is simply the primary landing gear that helps to support the weight of the aircraft. It typically consists of a shock absorbing strut and a steering system. And secondly, we have the nose gear. So the nose landing gear is also known as the secondary landing gear, and it helps to support the weight of the nose of the aircraft. It also consists of a shock absorbing strut, a wheel, and a steering system. So, and the last component is the tail gear. This is specific for some aircraft. Some aircraft actually have the tail gear or the tail skid, which generally helps to provide additional support during takeoff or landing. So now we're going to go straight into the mechanics of the landing gear, and the mechanics of the landing gear is simply talking about the extraction and the retraction processes of the landing gear. So the first mechanism I'm going to be talking about is the hydraulic system. Usually when you see those large aircraft that bring down their tires, which is the landing gear, now, the principal support system or the mechanism that helps in the retraction or extension of the landing gear is the hydraulic system. And simply, the hydraulic system consists of pump, reservoir, and the actuators that helps to apply pressure to the landing gear for a successful extension and retraction. Another mechanism is the actuators. The actuators are simply hydraulic cylinders that helps to apply pressure to the landing gear in order to extend or retract it. And we also have the linkages and the levers. So the landing gear is connected to the aircraft body or the fuselage of the aircraft by the use of linkages and levers, and what they simply do is to help transmit the motion of the actuators to the landing gear. Another mechanism of the landing gear we're going to be entering is the steering. We have the nose gear steering. The nose gear is typically steerable to enable the aircraft to move either left or to move right, and the whole steering system is usually connected to the rudder, so that most times when the plane is on ground, it uses the nose, and while it is on air, it uses the rudder. And sometimes too, when the plane is coming to land, right, it uses both the nose gear and the rudder in order to also taxi safely and move along the center line of the runway. We have the main gear steering also, and this is also very much specific for some aircraft that have steerable main gears for a tighter turn during a taxi, a takeoff, or a landing period. So let's look at some safety features of the landing gear. We have the landing gear warning systems. What the systems help to do is to alert the pilot anytime the landing gear is not properly retracted or extended, and in case of any time they are not properly retracted or extended, it allows the pilot so that they can look into the matter and know what needs to do in order to enable the safe takeoff or the safe landing of the aircraft. Another safety feature is the maintenance tax. This generally refers to the whole process of lubrication that is done on the system of the landing gear for there to be easy movement and no friction along the joints of the landing gear. And we also have the overhaul and the repair. This involves the part which is usually done by the aircraft maintenance team and also the avionics engineer to ensure that they repair the part of the landing gear that is worn out and that is actually faulty for there to be safety when landing. So this is just a little involving the mechanism of the landing gear and how it is very much important to ensure the safety of flight during takeoff, during taxi, and also during landing. I hope you learned a lot from this video, which is trying to teach you that a lot goes on in the safety of an airplane. So if you found this video interesting and insightful, I just want you to hit the subscribe button, to turn on your notification, to always like, share, and comment on my video, and I'm going to be replying you as soon as possible. Don't also forget to comment whatever video you really want to know or whatever thing you really want to know about plane, and I'm going to make a video about your request as soon as possible.